Good wishes, dear students. The very last concept you will be learning in solid state chemistry is impurity defects. Now, if you'll remember, point defects has got three types of classification: stoichiometry, non-stoichiometry, and impurity defect. Stoichiometry, two are the further category: Schottky defect and a Frenkel defect. Non-stoichiometry, metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. You remember metal excess when we say anion, cations are more. Metal deficiency when you say anions are more in number. I'm not going in a detail because we have learnt it already. In today's class, we will learn about the third type of classification under point defect, that is impurity defects. It's a very interesting concept. So, impurity defects are also called as an extrinsic defect. If you remember, in terms of stoichiometric, I used the word intrinsic defect. When we say intrinsic, the defects are found within the crystal lattice. Now, when we say extrinsic defect here, defects are introduced from the external sources. So, impurity defects are also called as an extrinsic defect. Moving on to see the definition of it. These defects arise when foreign atoms are present at the lattice site. To say, in the place of a host atom. We will see about the explanation. Or at the vacant interstitial site. You understand the term interstitial site because repeatedly we had been using it. So, impurity defect, when we say, these defects arise when the foreign atoms are present at the lattice site instead of the host atom. We will see it with the example of silver bromide. The keynote all you have to remember here is the process of adding impurities to the crystalline structure is called as a doping. So, in an impurity defect, what is the principle lying here? The principle of doping is involved. What's the meaning of doping? The process of adding impurities from the external source to the crystalline structure is called as a doping. Now, we have taken the example of silver bromide. So, I have written silver bromide AgCl is doped with the CdCl2, that is cadmium chloride. Silver chloride is doped with the cadmium chloride. Let's now, if you look at it before moving on to the structure, Ag plus Cl minus, Cd plus 2 and Cl minus. If you look at it, Ag, it's a monovalent ion. Monovalent, when we say the valence electron is 1 here. Now, cadmium, when you look at it, it's a divalent ion. So, meaning the valence state, in case of impurity defect, when we do the doping, the valency of the ion valence state of the ion should not be same. They should be different here. So, Ag is a monovalent ion, meaning one electron it has got valency of 1 electron. Cadmium is a divalent ion, valency of 2 electrons here. So, what we have written, AgCl is doped with a CdCl2, that's a cadmium chloride. I have taken the structure of AgCl, that's the original existing crystal structure of silver chloride. You also know anions are larger in size, cations are smaller in size. So, I have taken Cl minus Ag plus Cl minus Ag plus the lines goes on. If you look at the second structure, an Ag plus ion is missing. So, Ag plus Cl minus, this place is supposed to be occupied by the Ag plus ion, Cl minus and Ag plus 2. So, this place is occupied by what? Supposed to be having a Ag plus, but it's replaced with the, when we do the doping, it's replaced with the cadmium. What's the formula for a cadmium we have taken? That's a Cd plus 2. I should use a different color. So, supposed to be occupied by the Ag plus ion. When we do the doping, Ag plus site is replaced by the Cd plus 2. Now, what's the explanation I have written? 2 of Ag plus ions are replaced by 1 Cd plus 2 ion because it's a monovalent ion. Cd plus 2 is the divalent ion. So incoming of one Cd plus 2 removes the 2 of Ag plus ion, and that's the thing. I have not written here anything. I hope I'm making my points clear to the students. When we say doping, we are introducing impurity to the crystal structure. And the main condition is the valence state of the ion should not be equal. Now in this case, AgCl, Ag is a monovalent ion and a Cd is a divalent ion. So Cd is replacing the Ag plus ion in the crystal lattice. So supposed to be Ag plus, if you look at the order of the ions, Ag plus Cl minus, this is supposed to be Ag plus. But since its doping is done, Cd plus 2 is occupying it. Now when Cd plus 2, it's a divalent ion, when it comes into, it removes the already one Ag plus is missing here. It removes one more Ag plus ion from the crystal lattice. That's the point I have written. 2 Ag plus ions, one supposed to be here and one here, are replaced by 1 Cd plus 2 ion. Why is this replacing is done? To maintain the electrical neutrality of the crystal. So this produces a cation vacancy. Though electrical neutrality is maintained, the space remains empty as it is. So this is the point we have written. This produces a cation vacancy in the lattice. Such kind of crystal defect is called as an impurity defect. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.